ASIC Legend, and today I'm going to talk to you about my vision and how I actually took an idea and actually put it into reality. People always ask me, Nick, why'd you get a BMW i8? This was my dream car. As soon as I saw it, I knew like I want a BMW i8. Looks like the Batmobile. And honestly, I just love how the doors open up, and it's a cool car. But more importantly, I'm going to show you the process that I did to take this idea and put it into reality so that you can use it in your life. And with that, we're going to head into the office. All right, so I'm back here in the office, and I'll show you this to start off. So we can see right here, here's a vision board. We can see the i8 right there. And I knew that I wanted it to be matte black, okay? I also had Instagram photos that I would save and put, I would just put a folder of things that I wanted in the future. And here's the thing is, I believe in putting these reminders all around you. The same thing with before I actually got a Rolex, I had images of Rolexes before. So I just go and put reminders of different things. Now, here's the thing is, these are materialistic things, and this was honestly, when I was first getting started in entrepreneurship, like part of doing it was obviously like putting ideas into reality. It's not so much the material, it's the fact that like when I see something and I want it and I'm able to have an idea and put it out into reality, that's what gets me jacked up. Now, as time's gone on, I've been able to progress and my vision has gotten bigger, and it's moved past, objects, it's moved past materialistic things to actually making a difference in impacting people, hence why I'm doing this video right now. So understand this, no matter where you're at right now, there are the most successful people in the world that have started from worse positions, similar positions, and some of them have, started better off. But I'll tell you this, where you're at right now, this current position you're in, your environment, if you put enough attention and energy on the future, you will be able to line up your actions to that future. So here, let me actually go ahead and do this for you. So every single person watching this right now starts here. This is where we start. Now, here's the thing is, as human beings, naturally progression is something that we love. Like no matter what, like progression equals happiness. Like think about some of the happiest times that you were alive. Think about when you actually made a goal, a target, and you achieved that target. It was something that got you excited, right? So understand this. You're here right now. There's things that you are not necessarily happy with, and then there's maybe things that you're really, really drawn to. So what most people do when they're drawn to something is they let the voices of the people around them say like, look, you don't necessarily deserve that. You shouldn't get it. You're thinking too big, blah, 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 right? But what I'm saying is this, is keep those things. This is going to be your vision. And everybody's going to start off with a different vision. It could be something like a dream car, dream house, dream job, whatever it is. Or maybe you have a different vision. It's like, hey, I want to freaking go out there and feed 1 million people, whatever it is that inspires you, right? But you want to go ahead and put that vision in a place that you can see it. So some of us are visual learners. So visual, right? Visual. Other people are more about words, right? So like, here's another version of this. These are words, quotes that inspire me, that are in alignment with my vision over here. And you just got to kind of figure out where you're at. But here's what I know is, whatever you put your attention on a daily basis is what you're going to get. So doing this, and I like to just, as you can tell, I'm doing all the different ways. And I'm also writing my goals down on a daily basis in the morning and the nighttime, okay? So think about this. Put a time and energy into it, and then what you're going to do is start naturally, our brain works like this. It works to solve problems. If you throw someone in a fire, naturally, they're going to look to get out. So if you have a problem, and the problem is basically, look, I like this vision right here, it not being a reality, that's a problem. That's what you really want. Your mind will start finding solutions, and you'll start being a little bit more aware of things that are in alignment of that vision. But you have to give yourself time to make this super clear. okay? Because most people go throughout their day and they're only focused on the problems. They're only focused on the day-to-day things. That's something that I've gotten caught up on. You've probably gotten caught up on it. It's because we live in a world where it's just like things are thrown at us, but really we don't give ourselves that 10, that 20 minutes, that 15 minutes to get clear on this so that we can filter through the things that are not in alignment with that, okay? So with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to share my thoughts on creating a vision, what's important about it, share to you how I do it, and you can choose which one of these ways is best for you to get started, and just start with something is the key. Just like I say in my other videos, just get started. You know, your vision board doesn't have to look like mine. You can start by one picture, tape it on your wall, look at it the first thing when you wake up in the morning, the first thing when you go to bed. Tape your goals on your wall. I have my goals, I have them right there in my bathroom. When I'm looking at it in the morning when I brush my teeth, and then when I go to bed when I brush my teeth. So I'm looking at it 2 times a day no matter what, and then I'm writing it down because that's what keeps me focused and really clear on what's important. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one.